Hello, I'll be doing this podcast on electron configuration to hopefully help you if you are having a hard time with this topic. First, we'll be discussing each of the regions, how each of them work, and their names. So we begin with the S region, which is the two columns on the left side of the periodic table, including helium. So these elements over here, and then including helium. Then we have the D region in the middle, which are the transition metals. There are these ones in the middle, which is the D region. Then we go to the P region, which is the last 6 columns on the right side of the periodic table, excluding helium though, because it's in the S region. So all of these elements, over here. And finally, the F region, which are the elements 57 through 102, which are located at the bottom of the periodic table. So these elements way down here. One thing that can be confusing is the elements 57 and 89 are in the F region, which are usually over here. And elements 71 and 103 are in the D region, but are located down below, which are right here. So just make sure when you're doing electron configurations that you don't get those 4 elements confused to which region they're in. To start with electron configurations, each element has its own electron configuration, but writing it out, you can't just do the one for the element you have. You have to do all the other ones that lead up to the element you are using. So to start off, there are 7 energy levels that are used in this process. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's important to know that in the D region, is 1 energy level less than the period it's in. So the D region in the center here. So if you would look at, it's the 5th energy level, for the D region, it would actually be the 4th. And for the F region, it's 2 energy levels less than the period is in, which will make more sense later on as well as we go on. I think the easiest way to explain how this process works is to show an example. So let's use magnesium, which is element 12. Using your periodic table, when you look at magnesium, it's in the 3rd energy level as you count down. So 1, 2, 3. So it's in the 3rd energy level. So you'd write a 3. And then we know it's in the S region because it's on this side, on the left side of the periodic table, and are in the 2 first columns. So it's write 3s, and then we would write a 2 because it's the 2nd element in the S region. So we write 3s2 to get the individual electron configuration for magnesium. But remember that you can't just write it for the individual. We need to write all the other ones before we get to magnesium. So we start out with 1s2, because you have your helium and your hydrogen right here at energy level 1, S region, and there's 2 of them. Then we move on to S2, because the 2nd energy level. Then 2p6, because we come over here to the P region, and we're in the 2nd energy level still, and there's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So got 6 of those. And then finally our 3s2. Because that is our magnesium in the 3rd energy level, S region, and the 2nd element in. So that would be the full electron configuration for magnesium. We'll do another example of this using silver, element number 47, which is in the D region here. So if we count down of the energy level, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can see it's in the 5th energy level, but because it's in the D region, we have to go down in energy level. So it'd technically be in energy level 4. So it'd be energy level 4 because we have to minus the 1. So it'd be a 4, and then We know it's in the D region, so we write 4D. And then we count over from the left to how many spots it's in the D region. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's the ninth in, so we write 4D9 because it's the ninth one in. But remember, we still have to do all the ones that are before it. So this would be the individual one for silver. For the full electron configuration, it would be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, and 4d9. So that'd be the complete electron configuration for silver. Okay, so now hopefully you're kind of getting the process and know how it kind of works. So now you will get a practice one with gold, which is number 79, which is located right here. So pause this video and try it on your own and press play to compare your answers to mine. Welcome back. I hope that wasn't too difficult or painful, but let's see how you did. So the full electron configuration of gold should end up looking like 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s3, nope, that should be 3s2, my bad, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, 6s2, 4f14, 5d9, which would be your final gold electron configuration. So this would be the full electron configuration for gold, with the individual being 5d9. So when you look at it, you should be able to go, oh, it's in the D region, so we need to go to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because it's one less, and go over 9 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which should get you to gold. Recall that when you're going into the F region, you have to go down 2 energy levels. That's how we got 4F14 instead of 5F14 or 6F14. You can always continue to practice this by choosing an element of your choice and doing the same thing as we did here. Well, I hope this helped you if you were having struggles when trying to do electron configurations. Signing off for now. See you later.